In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Hubstaff to Asana. This integration can significantly enhance your productivity by enabling seamless tracking and project management. So let's get started. First, we're going to access the Hubstaff dashboard. Once you're there, look towards the menu on the side. Our goal here is to click on Settings. This initial step is crucial as it will allow us to navigate into the more detailed configuration of your Hubstaff account. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dashboard if you're new, as knowing your way around will make these types of processes easier in the future. After you've clicked on Settings, the next step is to click on Integrations. This area is where the magic happens, as it lets you connect various apps and services to Hubstaff. Integrations can save you loads of time and effort by linking apps, which is beneficial for both personal workflow and team collaboration. On this page, you'll see several integration options presented, but we're going to find Asana specifically. Now, scroll down through the list until you spot the option for Asana. The list might be extensive, but take your time to scroll carefully. Searching through and connecting various integrations can seem a bit overwhelming at first, but don't worry. This step is designed to ensure that you have complete control over which apps sync with Hubstaff, allowing for a tailored workflow that suits your exact needs. Once you locate Asana, click on Connect. Here, Hubstaff will prompt you to proceed with linking the account. It's a good practice to double-check that it is indeed the Asana integration, because mistakes here can cause confusion later. By clicking Connect, you're essentially telling Hubstaff to begin the process of linking your accounts for shared data and functionality. Finally, follow the on-screen prompts to complete the integration setup. These prompts will guide you through granting necessary permissions and completing the connection process between Hubstaff and Asana. While these steps are generally straightforward, make sure to read each prompt carefully to confirm that the correct permissions are granted and that the integration aligns with what you need it to do. Setting up integrations might require you to verify access or perhaps even adjust settings within Asana itself. But once this is done, your Asana tasks will start syncing with Hubstaff, enabling you to track time on projects directly from within Hubstaff. Whether you work alone or manage a team, having this level of integration will streamline your project management and time tracking efforts significantly. With this setup, you're all set to enjoy a more integrated and efficient way of managing your projects and team tasks. Thanks for watching, and if this video helped you, feel free to give it a like. If you have more questions about linking apps or improving your workflow, leave a comment down below.